Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how support teams can use AI inside Google Sheets to quickly analyze customer feedback without writing a single line of code. Let's start with a simple setup. We have raw customer comments in column C. Now let's use AI formulas to extract insights. In column D, type equals sentiment C to detect the overall tone of the comment, whether it's positive, neutral, or negative. In column E, type equals spam C to flag spam comments. In column F, type equals summarize C to summarize long feedback into one sentence. Double-click the corner of the formula cell to apply it to the whole column. Now at a glance, you can triage support tickets and spot trends faster. Next, let's turn this into a data-backed report using full sheet analysis. Go to the top menu. Extensions gives AI for Sheets gives full sheet analysis. In the prompt, type. Calculate the percentage of positive, neutral, and negative feedback in the sentiment column. The AI instantly gives you a clear summary with 3 bullet points showing the percentage of each sentiment. No formulas or manual calculations needed. This helps your team focus on what matters, like reducing negative feedback fast. Let's go further. Try this prompt. List the top 3 negative feedback in the summary column. You'll instantly get real examples you can paste into weekly reports or team slides to share insights with your team. With just a few smart formulas and the full sheet analysis tool, you saved hours of manual work. You turned messy text into clear, actionable insights. Your support team can respond faster and smarter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your team. See you in the next tutorial.